Fire Stick blocked side loading, but on the ONN 4K box, it's alive and well, and it's cheaper. And with these 5 changes, you can supercharge it. Stick it to the end to enable side loading. Hi, I'm Mr. C, and if you are new here, I cover quick tech fixes and streaming updates. Hit that subscribe button if you love getting more from your devices. Depending on the model you buy, it might have only about 4 gigabytes of usage space available. But if you plug a simple OTG cable and a USB drive, then you can go to Settings, Storage, and select Format as Device Storage. Now your USB becomes full app storage. No more deleting Netflix to install downloader. Just like on Android phones, some apps keep running in the background. To stop that, go to Settings, go to All Settings. In here, you're going to look for Apps. On Apps, you're going to see All Apps. And then from there, you pick you don't use often and hit Force Stop or Disable Background Activity. And that's going to do it. Tip number 3, clear cache and hidden data. Let's go. Every few weeks, it's a good idea to clean things up. Just go and clear the cache of the big apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Kodi. It frees up space and prevents those random app crashes. So this is how you do it. You go to Settings. In Settings, you go to Apps. Well, go to All Settings first, and then go to Apps. In Apps, you're gonna go to the app name. You can see all apps here, and then you go one by one on the big ones, and clear data and clear cache. And that's how you do it. It's gonna free up some space and keep your device running good. And now the big one, developer options. So this is how you do it. Go to Settings, All Settings, then you're gonna go to System. In System, you're gonna go to About, and About, you're gonna scroll down to where you say the Android TV OS build and press 7 times. You see mine says no need, you are already a developer. Yours, when you become a developer, is gonna say congratulations, you are now a developer. And then after you see that message, you go back and you should have developer options now over here available. Okay, now that you are a developer, you are able to download the download app, and from there you can download code and other stuff. But always it's a good idea to have a VPN. That's going to make you safer, and it's going to make you faster and more reliable as well. So I have this special, it's exclusive deal from us, 77%. So click the link on the description to be safe. Let's stay right here, developer options. Go to animator duration scale. You see mine is at 1. I have the new device. So the new device is faster. It has more room, more space, so it works better. So I leave it at 1. If you have the old one and you wanted to turn it off, you can. Just go ahead and turn it off over there, and that should do it for you. For me, I'm gonna leave it at 1 here. Okay. And that's it. With these 5 essential tips, you get your own supercharged. Okay, and for under $20, this little device still does what the Fire Stick can no longer do. Okay, and if this helped, drop a like and a comment. Which feature you try first? I'll see you on the next one.